What up, y'all? It's your man Dwayne back with another joint. Today we got the Whitestone dome glass installation for the S10. This is available for the S10 Plus and S10e if you so choose to get one. Real quick, I've bought these in the past. I personally never actually successfully put one of these on. So this is gonna be an experience for me. So if you don't know, if you're an owner of a Galaxy S10, I guess you wouldn't be watching the video, but there is really no good screen protectors out for the S10. As you can see here, I was using the, just a plastic screen protector. I don't know if you've seen these going around. They're like some PET, weird plastic material that goes over the phone. It still allows you to use your fingerprint sensor, but it's still not great because up until now I just basically been using the face unlock because, let me show you. I was gonna do a review on this, but it's trash. So don't buy any of those plastic screen protectors. They don't fully adhere to the phone enough to allow for that accurate fingerprint sensor to activate. So, but look, it constantly says no match. Just go ahead and snatch this joint off and show you that my fingerprint sensor does work. It's just that screen protector's trash. So yeah, stay away from them plastic ones. None of them are gonna work. Even if they say they do, they not. So, but today, hopefully I'm gonna solve that with the Whitestone dome glass. Hopefully I can go ahead and finally get one of these on. They do advertise that it works. Only thing is you gotta re-register your fingerprint sensor after you're done with the entire process. But yeah, let's go ahead and remove the contents. So this is your tray. That's what you're gonna set the phone in. And then what we got? Well, if you didn't know, this is what they advertise. You got your full ultrasonic fingerprint recognition here, full clarity. It's not like a matte glass or anything. It's just a full see-through glass, HD, whatever you want to call it. Full clarity, full coverage, full filling. So basically one of the reasons why the plastic ones don't work is because it does just use basically an adhesive on the back. So there are technically like microscopic particles that aren't actually being covered, or microscopic like parts of the surface or whatever that aren't getting covered because of the adhesive. So it's not fully, getting that fingerprint sensor the way that this ultrasonic fingerprint sensor does. So, but the full filling stuff, the gel that they use, gets all that. So it should be able to recognize through that. So it uses the a UV light to clear or to dry it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw this joint on. Oh man, hope I can get this one on, man. I've never got one on, so I'm hoping this is it. But here you are, your UV light. Throw that to the side for now. What else we got? Everything here is basically what we'll need. Got your cleaning cloths and alcohol swabs and whatnot. What are these? Looks like some sort of alignment tabs. Let's see. So I believe these, let me see. I'm gonna read the instructions. So screen protectors here. Let me see. All right, throw that to the side. So you got a couple of gels. I'm assuming as if you mess up, they allow you to go ahead and give it a rerun. Just clean it off and then go ahead and put that gel back on. So let's see here. Okay, so I've done these before, but to no avail. Give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and run through these instructions real quick, so I ain't giving y'all or showing y'all no trash video of me failing, and I will upload it if I fail. So, be right back. All right, y'all. I went over the instructions a little bit more before I began. So first, we're just gonna go ahead and actually just shut the phone down. And then we'll give her a wipe down, clean up. It does come with microfibers and alcohol and all that. I'm just getting all this dust off of here now. With this microfiber that I have. And then we'll hit it with the alcohol. I also got a can of air just some more dust prevention, even though by adding to it, but blowing all this stuff around. But, all right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna put it in here for a second. Actually, let's see. Let's go ahead and give it the wipe down. All right, let's go ahead and give it the wipe down. I hate doing these kind of things, man. I'll be so antsy, nitpicky, only making the process worse. Look at that. Got dust coming off this weak old microfiber. So, all right. So it also comes with these little pieces of masking tape that kind of go over the speaker grill. Okay. So I'll wipe this down once more. I got it came with some dust removal stickers too, so go ahead, hit that up. Okay, it looks pretty good to me here, so go ahead and throw this over the top. Throw the bridge over. Hold on. You see? It's like not meant. It's not meant. All right. So go ahead and grab one of these gels, remove the color top only, and then push it right into that little hole on your thingy, your bridge. Should just be able to push it down. You don't need to screw it in. All right. So the case itself has like a little tilt action, so you can maneuver and position this to where you need it to be. Because you're gonna pour the gel's gonna come out. You want to get it in the center as much as possible, and then that's when you put your glass on. But when you put your glass on before that. So let's go ahead and unscrew. Make sure you're on as level surface as possible. Give it a minute to make sure all that stuff drips out too. You want to get all that adhesive. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and take this off. Take your bridge off. And then go ahead and prep that glass. The process, like I said, the process really ain't hard. It's really just tedious and kind of nerve-wracking. But let's see. So you're gonna push this in the back of the glass, and then let it sit on top of that black tab there. So now this is where it becomes a process. So you're gonna wanna move that adhesive pull the tab and let it flow. Now, you gotta let it flow. So don't get nervous. Just trust the process. So the cure process, it takes about 15 seconds for each section. So like it's half. So you can put the light over here, 15 seconds, light over here, 15 seconds. And then after you take it out, you finish it off for another minute on each section. Apologize, y'all. My dang camera died on me, so we out here with the iPad. But let me go ahead and pop that back on for one more run. I believe each one of these cycles for the light is about 20 seconds. I'm definitely guesstimating, but let's just see real quick. I want to say it's about 20 to 30 seconds. I don't believe it's a full minute. But so then it shuts off and then reposition it for the next run. But with this one I'm gonna go in thirds. So I got the top here, and then I'm gonna switch it up, go to the middle, and then we're gonna do the same thing and then do the bottom. So I ain't gonna record all that, but see, it just went off. So that's gotta be about 30 seconds. So 30, 45 seconds. So we'll switch here to the middle. And then do the same thing for the bottom. We'll be right back. All right, she's all done. Okay. Give it a look. Definitely on there. Looks like it's bubble free too, man. Ooh, that boy icy. Okay, so take a look at that camera sensor. Like I said, it's off center just a little bit, but it's not covering the iris or whatever you want to call that thing. So it should be alright. Go ahead and power it on, and then we'll re-register that fingerprint sensor and see how this goes. All right, moment of truth. Alright, go up in here. So get your settings, get your biometrics, right? You have the biometrics, right? So we got a fingerprint. Ooh, what's that? We got a crash. We got a crash. So hold on. Go back and try that again. Alright. So I'm gonna remove this one. We're gonna go ahead and add another one. And let's see. So like my problem before I get this, but my problem with the other one, when I tried it, after a while it became really hard. It told me I had to press super hard and it just wasn't registering. So let's see how this goes. So far it does seem a little bit harder to press. Just a little bit, not much. So but regardless, we in. So it's a go. We'll see how this joint holds up over time, but as of right now, go ahead and get that Whitestone dome. I'm gonna throw the link in the description. It is a little pricey, starting at about $50 on Amazon, but yeah, I still suggest it though, because it's basically the only thing we got as far as screen protection when it comes to the S10. So anyway, man, it's your man Dwayne. Trying to hit me up in the comments for sure. Let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe to the channel, the video, whatever. But yeah, I'm out.